Good morning, all of you. Once again, thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos. Today, we'll discussing about complex numbers. Okay, complex numbers basics and some concepts. After that, I will give some examples also. In after after this 1 week, board exams is there now in March first week or March second week. Board exams also there. I will give some important long answers and very short answers. Short answers, important questions for board exam, that also I will give in next classes. Total important long answers, important short answers, important very short answers. That is first year and second year. That also long answers wise one class, short answers wise one class, very short answers wise one class. I will give total. Okay. Any doubt is there? Please comment me. I will give reply. Today we will discussing about complex numbers. I will discussing about complex numbers. What is complex numbers? It is second year topic, actually 12th topic in State Board Telangana. Okay, complex numbers. In Andhra also 12th topic. This is in complex numbers. By using these complex numbers, one topic is the De Moivre's theorem. That is also okay. Complex numbers. What is complex numbers? Here one value. I will discussing about first one value, iota. What is iota? First you discussing about iota. After that we go to complex. What is the definition of complex number? Iota nothing but I means a imaginary number. That imaginary number. Iota nothing but imaginary number. Here starting letter I is there, that represent imaginary number. That iota represents imaginary number represents that equals to I am taking like this root of minus 1. It is imaginary number only na, root minus 1. In root minus 1 is it is defined, not defined. It is not defined na. In roots negative values are not defined. That's why root of minus 1 is imaginary number. That is denoted by I. I is equals to root minus 1. Then I square equal to minus 1. This is called iota. That is called iota. I square equal to minus 1 in complex numbers. This is very important topic. What is iota? Iota nothing but imaginary number. That is, I am assuming that is root of minus 1. The compulsory that is imaginary number. I it is equal to root of minus 1. Then I square equal to minus 1. This is the iota. I square equal to minus 1. Then we can simplify any value. I cube value how much? I cube it is nothing but I square into I, that equals to minus I. I power 4 value, that is I square whole square, that equals to plus 1. Like this any value, I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, any value by using this value you can simplify. By using I square value you can simplify. Okay, that is iota. What is definition of complex number? Complex number. Here complex number is definition. Definition nothing but what is the definition of complex number means let x comma y belongs to R. Let x comma y belongs to R. That x comma y belongs to R. X belongs to R, y belongs to R. R nothing but real numbers. That x, y belongs to R. Then ordered pair x comma y is called complex number. Then it's called complex number. Then ordered pair it is nothing but it is in open brackets. It is one pair x comma y, that is called ordered pair. X comma y is called complex number. It is denoted by z. Z is equal to x comma y. Okay, it is like you can define like this also, x plus iy. Okay, define like x comma y in open brackets, no problem. Another form is x plus iy. Here x is nothing but real part of z. Y is nothing but imaginary part of z. Y is nothing but imaginary part of z. Here z is equal to x comma y in open brackets, that is ordered pair of x comma y, it is complex number. It is another form of this z equal to x plus iy. X is real part of z, y is imaginary part of z. Okay, this is the definition of complex number. This is the form of complex number. After that, if real part is equals to 0, real part means x equal to 0, then z is equals to iy. It is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. Understand? If real part equals to 0 in this complex number means x equal to 0, then z equal to iy. It is purely imaginary. If imaginary part equals to 0, if imaginary part equals to 0, then z equals to x. It is purely real. It is purely real. These are the concepts of complex number. This is the form of complex number. Means what is the definition of complex number? Here x comma y belongs to R. Here x comma y are any two real numbers. Then ordered pair of x comma y is called complex number. Where x is real part of z, y is imaginary part of z. This is the complex number definition. It is denotion like z equal to x comma y in open brackets, that is x plus iy. X is real part, y is imaginary part. If real part equals to 0, then z equal to iy, it is purely imaginary. Imaginary part equals to 0, then z equal to x equal to purely real. This is definition of complex number. After that, some properties is there. Properties. What is the properties of complex number? I am taking z1 is equals to x1 y1 in open brackets, or x1 plus iy1, no problem. z2 is equals to x2 comma y2, it is x2 plus iy2. Okay, then first property, z1 plus z2 is equals to z1 plus z2 equals to, first you addition of two complex numbers means, first of all addition of real part. Addition of real part means what is that? x1 plus x2. After that addition of imaginary part, x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. Like this, any two complex numbers is given, this is the process. Next, second property, z1 minus z2 also same like. Okay, x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2. This is subtraction. Okay, after that z1 z2 also like this. z1 z2 multiply x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. Multiply these two complex numbers, we getting, after multiplication we getting like this, x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. This is the z1 z2. That is the z1 z2 of okay. This is the addition, subtraction, multiplication. After that, if z1 is equal to z2, then equating real part x1 equal to x2 and equating imaginary part y1 equals to y2. Like this. Okay, these are the properties. Next one, fifth one, additive inverse. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? If z is equal to x plus iy, that is additive inverse means z equal to x plus iy, then minus z is equals to minus x minus iy. This is additive inverse. This minus z is equal to additive inverse of z. Minus z equal to minus x minus iy. After that, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. If z is equal to x plus iy, then 1 by z is called 1 by z equals to 1 by x plus iy. It is multiplicative inverse. 1 by z is equal to 1 by x plus iy, that is multiplicative inverse. 1 by z, if form 1 by x plus iy form is there, What is the simplification? Any complex number 1 by x plus iy. Denominator complex number is there. Compulsory take rationalize. X minus iy by x minus iy. After that simplify. X minus iy by x square plus y square. This is the process. Okay, this is additive inverse, that is multiplicative inverse. These are the four properties: addition, subtraction, multiplication, equality of complex numbers. Okay. These are the total 6 properties. Okay, I is equal to I square value how much? I square equal to minus 1. By using these properties, I will give some examples. 1 plus I whole square. 1 plus I whole square. That value how much? 1 plus I square plus 2I. A plus B whole square formula. I square equal to minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 plus 2I. That 1 plus I whole square equal to 2I. This is the actually this is one property. Some in problems 1 plus I whole square is there. Directly you can substitute 2I. No problem. Next 1 minus I whole square. That equals to 1 plus I square minus 2I. This is A minus B whole square formula. That is 1 minus 1 minus 2I. That is 1 minus I whole square equal to minus 2I. This is second property. Third property, 1 by I. How much? 1 by I value. Now only I am discussing. Denominator complex number is there. Compulsory taken rationalize. That is minus I by minus I. Because here plus I is there. Then multiply minus I into minus I square, that is minus I by minus I square means minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, that value is minus I. 1 by I is equals to minus I. 1 by I is equals to minus I. Next fourth one, 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Here also denominator complex number is there. Compulsory take rationalize. After rationalize, multiply and dividing with 1 plus I, we can take here denominator a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Numerator 1 plus I whole square. Already we got 1 plus I whole square value 2I. In numerator substitute 2I by 1 plus 1. Why plus 1? I square equal to, already you know, minus 1. That is I square equal to minus 1. Substitute here. Here substitute. Then we get 2I by 2. That is I. Therefore 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to I. Okay, 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to I. Next 1 minus I by 1 plus I is equal to how much? Similarly fifth one, 1 minus I by 1 plus I is equal to minus I. These are the total 5 problems. This is not problem, 5 applications also. Sometimes in JEE mains or some competitive exams, directly you can take 1 plus I whole square replace 2I, 1 minus I whole square equal to minus 2I, 1 by I equal to minus I, 1 plus I by 1 minus I equal to I, 1 minus I by 1 plus I equal to minus I. In some exams and some questions directly you can substitute these values. Remember these values also. The properties, remember these values also. Okay, thank you. Next definition, conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of complex number. If z is equals to x plus iy, if z equals to x plus iy, then z bar is equals to x minus iy. Then z bar is equals to x minus iy is conjugate of z. Is conjugate of z. Conjugate of z. Now, okay, here properties is there. Some properties. Z equal to x plus iy, then z bar is equal to x minus iy. It is conjugate of a complex number. Okay, for example, z equal to x minus iy, then z bar equal to x plus iy. That is conjugate of complex number. Properties, first property, z bar whole bar is equals to z. Z bar whole bar equal to Z. Any example you take, Z equal to X plus Iy, replace X plus I whole bar equal to X minus Iy. Again you can replace compulsory. Again what is taking that value, again you can get it. After that, Z plus Z bar equals to 2 times of real part of Z. Z minus Z bar is equal to 2i into imaginary part of Z. Imaginary part of Z. This is the properties of conjugate of a complex number. Z1 plus Z2, Z1 bar plus Z2 bar equals to Z1 plus Z2 whole bar. Next, Z1 Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Like this, these are the 5 properties of conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Next, square root of a complex number. I am taking directly formula. Square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number that is root of square root of complex number. Root of x plus iy is equal to root of x plus iy equal to plus or minus under root of modulus of z plus x by 2 plus I into under root modulus of z minus x by 2. This is if y greater than 0. If y greater than 0, that is the formula. After that, root x plus I, one more formula, plus or minus under root modulus of z plus x by 2 plus I into under root minus I into under root modulus of z minus x by 2. If y less than 0 means y is negative, you take in minus I into root of modulus of z minus x by 2. This is the square root of formula. What is modulus of z? Modulus of z, it is nothing but under root x square plus y square. This is the modulus of z formula. Modulus of z equal to under root x square plus y square. Any square root of complex number by using these two formulas. In two cases, if y is positive, this y is positive, you take first formula. If y is negative, this is second formula, where modulus of z equal to under root x square plus y square. This is square root of a complex number. Next, modulus of a complex number. Modulus of complex number. Modulus of complex number means if let z is equal to x plus iy, then modulus of complex number or absolute value of complex number, both are same. Absolute value of complex number, okay, or distance from origin to complex number. Origin to complex number, that is three cases. Please see that. Z equal to x plus iy, then modulus of complex number or absolute value of complex number or distance from origin to complex number. That is modulus of z is equals to modulus of z bar equals to modulus of minus z equals to modulus of minus z bar equal to under root x square plus y square. It is one plane. Okay, here one complex number is there from origin to here, from origin to here complex number p x comma y. This OP distance is distance between 2 points formula is there. Now OP distance is, what is the formula? Under root x square plus y square. That OP is denoted by modulus of z. That O from origin to that one complex number in a plane, that is OP is equals to modulus of z equals to under root x square plus y square. That modulus of z equals to modulus of z bar equals to modulus of minus z also. Modulus of minus z bar also only one, that is under root x square plus y square. If first properties is there, here properties modulus of z equals to 0 if and only if z equals to 0. Then second property, modulus of z is equal to 1, that is called unimodulus. Unimodulus. Next, third one, modulus of z power n is equals to modulus of z whole power n. That is third property. Fourth property, very very important, z into z bar is equals to modulus of z square. By using these properties, so many problems is there. Modulus of z equals to 0 if only if z equals to 0. Modulus of z equal to 1, that is unimodulus. Modulus of z power n equals to modulus of z whole power n. Z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. This is the z equal to x plus y. This is the modulus z formula. Under root x square plus y square. That is nothing but distance from origin to some point distance. That is modulus of z under root x square plus y square. This is modulus formula. Okay. Now up to here, please read. Some more concepts is there. Argument of z. Okay. What is Argand plane? Argand plane is there. Some properties is there. What is the Argand properties? That also next class I will discuss. Some problems also I will discuss next class. Up to here, these concepts, please learn. Any doubt is there, please comment me. I will give reply. Thank you.